absolutely. I'm here in Vadodara. This is the 24th AGM chaired by the new chairman GC Chaturvedi, and as you can see, the security here is quite tight for some reason. In fact, media journalists are not being allowed inside the premises, and of course I've been interacting with shareholders, and there seemed to be some sort of jitteriness amongst them with respect to ICICI Bank. Remember that the bank and the MD and CEO Chanda Kochhar have been under the radar of not just investigative agencies but even regulatory authorities like RBI and SEBI have been scrutinizing dealings pertaining to the Videocon loan case, while the allegations against MD and CEO pertaining to quid pro quo, conflict of interest and lapses in corporate governance, while all these charges are being investigated by Justice B.N. Sri Krishna and an external law agency, and the results are yet to be made public. One would expect that there would be some headway as far as this investigation is concerned, which is why investors coming to the AGM today hope to have some questions answered. The management, of course, has been pretty silent as far as the investigation is concerned, but considering that it's been a couple of months, there would be some indication as to which way the investigation is moving, and more importantly, it will also throw some light on what the strategy for ICICI Bank going forward will be. It's the retail portfolio that is the main focus for ICICI Bank, but the legacy issues around asset quality remain, and these are some issues which will be discussed in the board meeting, and shareholders will of course take a special interest in the Videocon loan case as well. As you can see, the management is beginning to enter the premises. In fact, they will be joining the AGM, and let me cut across to some visuals of this. As you can see on your screen, the management coming in batches for the 24th annual general meeting of ICICI Bank, the first one to be presided by GC Chaturvedi, and of course Chanda Kochhar will not be present considering she's on leave pending investigations pertaining to allegations against her with respect to several whistleblower complaints that have been coming in over the past few years, and we'll keep bringing you more details through the day. As of now, I'm here in Vadodara, and while the management is not very keen that journalists attend the annual general meeting or even stay in the premises, I have been interacting with the shareholders, and topmost on their mind, of course, is what really will be the future of ICICI Bank, considering that the MD and CEO currently is facing some very serious charges, and the topmost question that they want answers to pertain to the investigations that are ongoing currently.